In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build yourself a free chatbot as a tutor and learn and revise any subject you have for any upcoming tests. So we're going to chatbase.co and we're going to build your chatbot. You need to sign in either with an email or Google. I'm going to go Google. Now I'm signed in. I'm going to call my team whatever. It says team because it's a collaborative platform, but for one person, it's fine as well. Press create. And then I'm going to press new chatbot. Here I can add files. I took the transcript of a video I found on YouTube. I'm going to copy the transcript, paste it here, and I'm going to use this as the basis for the knowledge for my chatbot. Obviously, I can add more files, crawl a website, etc., etc. My chatbot is ready. Before I do anything, I click here and I can see I need to change the persona. So we have AI Chatbot and all these here. I want a language tutor because the persona of the chatbot is to help the person who wants to learn. Here we are looking at the persona of a language tutor. Mine is going to be an economics teacher. So I'm going to change the persona and then I'll explain to you what I've done. Okay, so as you see, primary function, you're an economics tutor here to assist users on economy. And your main objective is to help learner improve the comprehension of learner of economics, focus, etc., etc. The important thing is here, the question. Use the knowledge data to craft your question and always ask a subject that is relevant and ask a targeted question. Don't just say, can you tell me about economics? Rather tell me, can you explain supply and demand, for instance? The rest, I changed the word language by economics, and in constraints, I've repeated this section that is the same as the one in a row. So let's try it. Let's just say hello. And there we go. We have a question. Can we discuss, explain what happens to the demand curve when consumer preference change? So I'm going to give it an answer. I don't know. I'll make something up and then we'll see what happens. Okay, so I've just said, if they want less of a thing, then the demand goes down. Let's see what it says. Yes. Tells me blah 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 and then asks me another question. So let's play that game again. I'll give an answer. So I played a little bit with it before answering that question, so I've got another one here, but let's see if what it tells me exactly, etc., etc. So you can answer the question and test your knowledge, and every time it is going to keep on probing you with question. Now this is a text-based chatbot, so it's not going to show you a diagram, it's not going to show you graphs or pictures or anything like this, but it's really helpful if you have to sit down on a test and write down your thoughts as you are being asked questions. Now, one thing I need to point out, we are obviously on the free plan, okay? We have 20 message credit per month. In other words, if I use that chatbot 20 times, on the 21st time, it will tell me that the chatbot is unavailable. So I'm going to do it and I'll show you what it looks like. And then I'll give you the solution to never have that problem. Right, so once you've reached 20 questions, you will get that message here in red saying that your chatbot is currently unavailable. So the way out of this is to go to settings, delete the chatbot name, press delete, and then you create a new chatbot and you repeat the same process. Now that may get a little bit tiresome, but this is free, and that way you can maybe segment what you want to learn in such a way that you're moving from one idea to the next one to the next one. And that's how you can do a chatbot to help you revise your economics lesson. Hope you have a good score, and I'll speak to you later. Ciao.